Hello everyone and welcome back to PhysioTrends, your one-step destination for physiotherapy career-related guidance. If you are a foreign physiotherapist who is looking forward to opportunities to work in UAE, this video is definitely for you.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
I will walk you through this step-by-step process, and by the end of the video you will understand entire process and you will be able to apply for your own application. Let's first understand the UAE healthcare system. It is mainly divided in three parts. The first one is DHA, which is Dubai Health Authority, DOH, which is Department of Health for Abu Dhabi, and MOHAP, which is for Ministry of Health and Prevention for other Emirates. Mostly the rules are same for all these things, but there are certain changes from DOH, DHA, and MOHAP, which you will get to know from their official websites. So after going through their websites, you first decide which particular emirate you want to apply for your application, and then you move forward to the licensing requirements. UAE obviously has strict rules for healthcare professional licensing, and that depends on certain factors like your qualification, your work experience, as well as your home country professional licensing. There are also certain rules which states that if you have professional licensing from certain countries, then you are eligible to get waiver of for writing examination in the Emirates. The details are provided on the screen, as you can see that from the New Zealand, from South Africa, from UK, or from Canada, or from USA. If you have their license already available, then you don't need to appear for any examinations in the UAE. Let's say you are not having professional licensing from these countries, then you will have to appear for the license exam in UAE. May it be for HAD, may it be for DHA, or it can be for MOH. But before that, you have to prepare certain documents, and the document lists are: you will require a passport size photo. Then you will require your professional degrees like BPT or MPT. You will require a work experience certificate. In this case, if you are applying after BPT, you require minimum 2 years of clinical work experience. If you have completed MPT, then that work experience comes down to 1 year. But remember that minimum 1 year work experience is required even after MPT. Plus, you will require good standing certificate from a professional license issuing council. Let's say if you are from India, you require it from IAP, or if your state is having state council or you're registered with any state council, from that also you can get this good standing certificate. Once the data flow process is done, which almost takes around 20 to 45 days, after that, once you get the report positive, then you have to start applying in DOH or DHA or MOH, depending on which specific emirate you want to work in. Now, one more point I would like to tell you over here, that let's say that you are appearing for HAD or DOH, which is for Abu Dhabi, and after that you decide to relocate to Dubai or some other Emirates, then you can directly just convert your license to that specific Emirate. You will not require to again write the examination. But initially, to appear for the examination, you will have to start processing from any of this one specific region. And you have to follow the process, and then you will come to know that whether you are eligible for writing the examination or not. Once you are eligible, you will get to choose your date for writing the examination. You appear for the examination, you clear the examination. Once you clear the examination, you get the professional license to practice in that particular part of the UAE, and then you can start with the job searching. For job searching, you have two options. You can start doing it from LinkedIn or other online web portals available from your home country, or else you can just go on a visitor visa to UAE and directly appear for the interviews in possible places where vacancies are there and get a job and then get a sponsored visa to relocate over there. And once you are there, don't think that your studying part is over, because you have to regularly update your knowledge. You have to attend certain CPD seminars, webinars, and then you have to upload it in the government websites also, so that your professional licensing is kept on renewed. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to PhysioTrends for more career guidance related video, and don't forget to check out other country specific guidelines and videos on my channel PhysioTrends.